For the first, the contingent from Andaman Nicobar Island, now approaching the rostrum, led by Mohan Rao, the head constable. The team from Andhra Pradesh, now approaching the rostrum, and headed by Hari Krishna. It headed by Himanshu Rao, constable. Followed by Team Assam. Team Assam Rifles now salute the chief guest. Here approaches Team Bihar, marching with discipline and grit. The contingent from Bihar, head rostrum, led by Constable Happy Son Thakle Mayum. Team BSF now salutes Team Chandigarh, representing the city beautiful. Here is the Chandigarh contingent, valor and dedication. The team CRPF now crosses the rostrum, followed by Team Gujarat from the land of salt desert. Here is Team Gujarat, led by Constable Ustrum, and it is headed by Head Constable Ajay. Led by Police Constable Shekhar. Team ITBP. The hymnbearers of ITBP are now approaching the rostrum, followed by Jammu and Kashmir, marching with Constable Syed Asgar. Followed by Team Jharkhand. From the land of forest, here advances Team Jharkhand. Here approaches Team Karnataka, representing the heritage and technology of the south. Team Karnataka. Here approaches Team Madhya Pradesh. Here approaches Team Maharashtra with the spirit of pride steps. They approaches the rostrum and salute the chief guest. And it's led by Shivanand Gori, by Rifleman Pratyujit. From the land of Lord Jagat, we have Team Orissa, led by Captain Babu Ram Shrestha. Punjab, marching with high energy and valor. Team Punjab reaches the rostrum, and it is led by Constable Gushram Singh. Rajasthan, the land of brave hearts. Rajasthan now approaching the saluting ways, and it is led by now salute the rostrum, and it is led by ASI Shines Harrier. Followed by Sikkim Police, representing the serene beauty of hills. Here is Sikkim Police, led by Head Constable Vishal Sheikh, followed by Team SSB, serving with service, security and brotherhood. Team SSB approaches, and it is led by ASI Henry Singh. Followed by Team Tamil Nadu from the land of ancient culture and temples. Team Tamil Nadu head by Constable Mahesh. Tamil Nadu here approaches Team Telangana, approaching the rostrum is now the vibrant contingent of Telangana. Now approaching the rostrum, Team Tripura from the lush green hills to the hills. Here approaches Team Uttar Pradesh, the most populous state of Union. Uttar Pradesh marches with pride, and it is led by Police Constable Sagar Yadav. Here now saluting Team Uttarakhand, led by Constable Thanveer. The land of art and revolution, closing the march past with grace and strength, is the God's own country, Kerala, led by its captain, Havildar Muhammad Iqbal. Field of play now transformed into a parade of pride. We will Ladies and gentlemen, to officially begin with for this prestigious closing ceremony.
But above all, it represents the camaraderie, the togetherness, the spirit of sportsmanship that we police forces represent. I think every team performed to the best of abilities. Of course, there have been a few winners, many will be losers, but we all need to remember that we are all winners in the sense of maintaining discipline, maintaining the sportsman spirit, and discipline what the police forces represent. At this moment, I want to congratulate everybody, every team member, every manager. Competition. My responsibility is to welcome this August gathering that has come here to inaugurate this closing ceremony. As you all know, the chief guest for today's program is our Honorable State Police Chief Rauda Azad Chandrasekhar. He is also the patron and the man behind leading the entire organizing team. But formally, on behalf of Kerala Police, he has been running around the past 4 or 5 days from venue to venue, program to program, attending all the ceremonies that are available. And on behalf of Kerala Police and all of you, I welcome Rauda sir to this gathering. Shri Arvind Kumar, Special Director, Intelligence Bureau, has come as a representative of the All India Police Sports Control Board. As you know, the contribution of the All India Sports Control Board is the main agency that's organizing all these events. He had come yesterday itself. The support of the All India Sports Control Board has been immense. Without their support, financially and otherwise, for every issue, they have really intervened in this regard and really helped us in organizing this program. On behalf of all of you and on behalf of the Kerala Police, we welcome Shri Arvind Kumar, Special Director, Intelligence Bureau, to this gathering. Shri Srejat, ADGP Crimes and Organizing Secretary of this event, has been a man on the move for the past 10-15 days. He has ran around the entire venues spread around Trivandrum city. He has put his entire 100% efforts in organizing such a beautiful conference. And it is the handiwork of him and his team that has really helped in achieving what we have achieved today. On behalf of the organizing committee, I welcome Shri Srijit also to this gathering. Shri Dinendra Kashyap, ADGP AP Battalion, is also one of the main members of the organizing committee, again the Vice President of the organizing committee. His role also has been very important in organizing this event. He has contributed both by person and by efforts, and the entire team of the AP Battalion has been behind the organization of the event. And on behalf of the organizing committee, I welcome him also to this August gathering. I welcome all the retired officers, serving officers, all the members of the organizing team from the DGP downwards. Everybody has played their role, their part so well, because when an oil machine like this, when everybody plays their role, the meet will always be successful, and that's what has happened. Everybody has played a very important role, and on behalf of everybody and on my personal behalf, I welcome all the officers to this gathering. Finally, the managers, the team captains, and all the team members who have participated in this tournament, both volleyball and Sepak Takraw. It has been really enjoyable to have you. And as I mentioned earlier, you have participated in all the events with great enthusiasm, sportsman spirit also, and that has been reflected in the success of these games also. On behalf of Kerala Police, I welcome all the managers, team captains, and all the team members to this gathering. And finally, all the spectators, all members of Kerala Police who have come here, I welcome you also. And with those few words, you have all been responsible. Each one of you has been responsible for the success of this event. I once again thank you and welcome you. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Excellence that All India Police Sports Control Board fosters across all our police forces.
Shri R.A. Chandrasekhar, IPS, DGP, Kerala Police. Shri Manoj Abraham, Director of Vigilance and Chairman of the Organizing Committee, Shri S. Srijit, ADGP, come Organizing Secretary of the 74th All India Volleyball Cluster 2025-26, distinguished guests, participants, judges, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Chairman of the All India Police Sports Control Board, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Kerala Police for hosting the 74th All India Police Volleyball Cluster 25-26. It is truly heartening to reflect on the impressive achievements of our police personnel in sports. Their excellence at the international and national levels is a testament to their dedication and hard work. At the Paris Olympic 2024, 11 of our police personnel were proud members of the Indian contingent. Amongst these exceptional athletes, 6 were crucial members of the Indian hockey team, which earned a well-deserved bronze medal. 7 police personnel were part of the Tokyo Olympic contingent, while 6 medalists won accolades during the Birmingham Commonwealth Games 2022. In various national championships held in 25-26, All India police teams won 105 medals, including 45 gold, 27 silver, 33 bronze. It is remarkable that the All India Police Sports Control Board team secured first position in Sepak Takraw, Yoga, Kayaking, and second position in Judo Senior National Championships during the current sports calendar. Many luminaries of the Indian Police Force have been awarded the Dronacharya, Arjuna and Padma Shri awards. On its part, the All India Police Sports Control Board is undertaking measures to improve facilities for our sports persons and the sporting ecosystem. Some recent measures include enhanced financial assistance for hosting police games, bid to host World Police and Fire Games 2029, special training to our coaches at NIS Patiala, and enhanced participation during the World Police and Fire Games 2025 in USA. Hosting such a large tournament has been a challenging task for the organizers. The warm hospitality of Kerala Police at Chandrasekharan Nair Stadium, Palayam, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, good boarding and lodging arrangements for the officers and participants, and the manner in which numerous matches were conducted at Thiruvananthapuram reflect the organizational skills and sustained hard work of Kerala Police under the motivating leadership of Shri Chandrasekhar, DGP Kerala. We are also thankful to the technical officers, referees and electronic and print media for their wholehearted support and cooperation in the successful conduct of the championship. Finally, I would like to congratulate all the medal winners for their outstanding performance and appeal to them to maintain the spirit of competitive excellence in future too. My commiserations to those participants who could not make it this time. I wish them all the best in the next championship. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Spectacular women. And that is Team SSB. And the best volleyball player men have a special award for the best
I have the honor to request Shri Ravada Azad Chandrasekhar IPS, Director General of Police and State Police Chief Kerala, to proclaim the 74th All India Police Volleyball Cluster 2025-26 Championship closed.
It is a matter of immense pride and happiness for me to be here at the closing ceremony of the 74th All India Police Volleyball Cluster held in Thiruvananthapuram. For the past 5 days, from February 23rd to 27th, Our finest police persons have transformed the courts of Jimmy George Stadium, GV Raja Sports Complex, KSCB Ground, Kaladi Volleyball Club, LNCP Ground and Greenfield Stadium into arenas of extraordinary energy, discipline and sportsmanship. Kerala Police feels deeply honored to have hosted this prestigious national event. First and foremost, I congratulate every participating team from across the country. In uniform, you are the guardians of law and order. On the court, you have been the ambassadors of fitness, teamwork, and most importantly, national integration. You have demonstrated that the spirit of policing is not confined to duty hours. It is reflected in your endurance, coordination, mental resilience, and respect for rules. Sports and policing share a deep and natural connection. Both demand discipline, both demand trust in one another, both require split-second decisions under pressure. A volleyball rally and a sepak takraw exchange is not very different from coordinated police actions. It requires communication, anticipation, and unity of purpose. Events like this go beyond medals and trophies. They strengthen the interstate camaraderie. They create bonds among the police personnel from different regions. They promote mutual respect and understanding, values that are essential in maintaining national security and harmony. At this juncture, I would like to place on record my deep appreciation to the organizing committee under the able leadership of Shri Manoj Abraham. Conducting a national level sports cluster across multiple premier venues demands months of planning, seamless coordination, logistical precision, and tireless dedication. From scheduling matches to ensuring accommodation, transport, security, medical support, and technical arrangements, every detail was handled with professionalism and commitment. The smooth and disciplined conduct of this championship stands as a testament to your leadership, your teamwork, and organizational excellence. You have upheld the reputation of Kerala Police with distinction. I also thank the All India Police Sports Control Board, the referees, technical officials, medical teams, volunteers, whose silent yet significant contributions ensured fairness, safety, and sporting integrity throughout the tournament. To the winners, my congratulations on your well-deserved success. You have set very high standards of excellence. To those who could not lift the trophy, remember that participation at this level itself is an achievement. In sport, as in policing, resilience matters more than a single result. A physically and mentally fit police force is the backbone of effective service delivery. Sporting events like this inspire our personnel to prioritize health and well-being. Kerala always believed in community and people-friendly policing. When citizens see police officers excelling in sports, they see a human face in the uniform, disciplined, determined, and dynamic. That generally builds the trust. As we conclude this 74th All India Police Volleyball Cluster, let us carry back not only trophies but friendships. Let us carry inspiration. Let us carry the message that a strong police force is one that trains hard, plays fair, and stands united. I thank all the participating states, the Central Armed Police Forces for your presence. Your sportsman spirit has elevated this event. I wish you a safe journey back home and continued success both in service and in sport. Let us continue to uphold the motto of policing, service, integrity, and courage on the field and off it. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Now I humbly invite ADGP HQ and the Secretary of the Organizing Committee, Sri S. Srijit IPS, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Chief Guest of the function, Sri Ravada Chandrasekhar IPS, Special Director IB, Sri Arun Kumar Sir, Manoj Abraham Sir, Kashyap, and my dear colleagues. It's indeed a great privilege to extend a token of gratitude to all those present here who have elevated sports and policing to the next level with regard to volleyball and sepak takraw. I especially thank all the participants, the managers, and all those behind this grand event. The winners, of course, they know that we have already thanked them with the trophies and all that. And more than all of that, I thank those who have gracefully let the winners win and kept the spirit of sports and policing flying high. Till we meet the next year, this certainly marks the culmination of a grand event which has announced to the world and the country that policing is not all about law and order alone. It's more of sportsmanship, the spirit of camaraderie, and graciously and taking part in every kind of sport. And here we have volleyball and sepak takraw over the last 6 to 7 days. I profusely thank everybody responsible for this grand event, more so all venerated seniors and those retired seniors officers, especially Raman Srivastav sir and others who have been present over here very graciously throughout this occasion. They have been the soul and spirit guiding us through all these events over here. So I especially thank the IB and the All India Police Sports Control Board for the indulgence that they have shown, the financial and every other kind of support, the referees, international, national, the Volleyball Federation, everybody who has made this possible, especially the media personnel. And this is the grand event which is going to take us through to the next year of spirit and camaraderie. So till we meet again the next year, the grand event has come to a close today, and I thank you profusely, one and all, for making this a grand success. Thank you very much. Yeah.
In a gesture of profound tradition and institutional continuity, the Honorable Chief Guest will now receive the All India Police Sports Control Flag. The flag will then be formally handed over to the Chairman of All India Police Sports Control Board for safe custody until it is unfurled once again for the next cluster. This symbolic act marks the successful conclusion of our journey together here in Kerala.
I declare the 74th All India Police Volleyball Cluster 2025-26 Championship closed.